Understanding similes. As bright as a star. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English similes with a focus on the phrase, as bright as a star. Similes are a fantastic way to add color and imagination to our language, and this particular phrase paints a vivid picture that's both beautiful and instructive. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so captivating to English speakers and learners alike. The phrase, as bright as a star, is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words as or like to create a vivid image or express a particular quality. Stars in the night sky are renowned for their brilliance and luminosity, standing out against the dark backdrop. Thus, when something or someone is described as bright as a star, it implies that they are exceptionally bright, brilliant, or intelligent. This brightness can be literal, like a shining light, or figurative, referring to someone's cleverness or talent. To fully grasp the phrase's versatility, let's look at some examples. Literal brightness. The diamond sparkled as bright as a star under the showroom lights. Figurative brightness. Intelligence. In her mathematics class, Maria is as bright as a star, always solving complex problems with ease. Figurative brightness. Talent. On stage, his performance was as bright as a star, captivating everyone in the audience. These examples show how the simile can be adapted to various contexts, enhancing our expressions and making our language more descriptive and engaging. Using similes, especially ones as evocative as bright as a star, enriches language in several ways. Imagery. It creates a strong visual image, helping listeners or readers visualize concepts or qualities. Emphasis. It emphasizes the extent of brightness or brilliance, whether in a literal or figurative sense. Engagement. It engages the audience, making descriptions more interesting and memorable. Cultural connections. It can reflect cultural values, such as the admiration for brightness, brilliance, and outstanding talent. We hope this exploration of the phrase, as bright as a star, has illuminated not just its meaning but also the beauty and utility of similes in the English language. Similes enrich our speech, writing, and thought by providing vivid imagery and making abstract qualities more tangible. Keep an eye out for them in your reading and listening, and consider incorporating them into your own language use. Thanks for joining us today, and may your language learning journey be as bright as a star.